In this video, we're going to go over the shampooing process on some floor mats while trying to add some slow motion footage throughout the video. I'm still trying to get better at it, so give me some time and these videos will improve. If you're interested in the tools and products that we use, or if you're trying to start your detailing business, check the description box down below for some links and resources. And this is the before condition, and you can just smell all the sweets and sugar across the interior, and a lot of those stains are simply just like sugar from candy, from these Oreo cookies, just smushed and melted into the floor mat. So it just had a hard smell of sweets. So the first step was actually vacuuming, which we did off camera. Here I'm using the DeWalt cordless drill with a brush attachment to try to loosen up any more debris that we could. Here my main goal is to loosen up any other like sugar or specks of cookies that I can get out of the carpet fibers to make sure the floor mat is actually clean and we can go straight into the extraction process without sucking up more dirt. Once that's complete, our next step is to saturate the floor mat with our all-purpose cleaner, which is super clean, diluted 10:1. And I am going to saturate the area pretty heavily just because I want to be able to really agitate the floor mat, because there's sugar we can't see and there's stains we can't see because the floor mat is black. And as a side note, make sure you clean out your pump sprayer ever so often, because my pump sprayer is actually acting up and a lot of the foam is escaping. So once I cleaned it, it actually fixed that problem. And the next step is still using the DeWalt cordless drill, except with a different brush attachment, which the link will be down below. And we're going to use cross hatching patterns to make sure we cover the entire area with medium down pressure. Next, we're going to start the extraction process. Now, here, because there's not like a food stain or a liquid stain, it's like, I'm assuming it's still sugar, right? So when you see a lot of white foam come up in the extractor, then that's the actual sugar that's getting pulled out. So it's not just water, it's actual sugar being pulled out of the floor mats. For instance, look right here as I'm dragging it along, and then there's a big burst of white coming to the extractor. I'm assuming that's just the spots where there's still something, whether sugar or whatever they spilled there, it's still in that specific section, and you can see that across this little area here. And I try to show you guys the dirty water we collected from the floor mats, but literally there's too much foam that I couldn't show how the liquid actually looked. Like I tried moving it around with the stick, I tried to shake it, and I just could not get it to move out the way. So here's just a small glimpse of just pouring it out, but it was literally like just too difficult, just too much foam on the top level surface to show the actual liquid.
It's all the sugar.
And we're almost at the end of the detail. We still have to touch up a few things here and there, but figured I'd go ahead and grab the camera right now. The floor mats and the interior came out very well. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave those in the comment section down below, and I'll see you on the next one.